Hi, I'm Jacob Ryder with Granite Community Bank, and today I wanted to talk about a commonly asked question with the second round of PPP. As many are aware, the second round of PPP came out with a significant rule that businesses need to demonstrate a 25% or greater decline in gross revenue from any one quarter in 2019 to that same corresponding quarter in 2020. Much of the questions that we've received at the bank pertain to this rule. And so, to get into it, what this simply means is that your business must demonstrate for a 3 month period that it experienced some type of harm due to the economic environment, particularly caused by the pandemic. So, a common example that I've used with borrowers is the second quarter in 2020. In that quarter, many businesses were shut down due to the pandemic and due to government mandates. And so, from the months of April, May, and June, there was often a significant decline in gross revenue for any particular business. So, a business would take that quarter, compare it to the same quarter in 2019, and if it was 25% or more in revenue, then you would meet that criteria and would then be eligible for the second round. In order to prove this, the SBA is asking that you provide documentation to support the fact that this revenue declined. And this is pretty broad ranging. You can use account prepared financial statements showing that your gross revenues were down. You can use QuickBooks or some other internal accounting method that you have at your business to support that. But you could also use something as simple as bank statements. If you're a sole proprietor, you don't have a sophisticated accounting system, and you're a cash basis type of business. Print off your bank statements for those years from 2019, compare it to that same quarter in 2020, and that would work. The other aspect to this revenue rule on the side of providing documentation is you're not obligated to provide that supporting documentation if your loan is $150,000 or greater until you submit for forgiveness. So you could come to a bank like mine, apply for the loan. If it's under 150,000, you just need to identify the quarter and the revenue decline experienced. And then we would make the loan, assuming all other eligibility is in place. And by the time you submitted for forgiveness, you would then need to provide that documentation at that time. That's it for today. If you have any further questions regarding PPP, please reach out to myself. You can contact me by looking me up at our website, granitecommunitybank.com. My contact information is there. Any other lenders at our bank would be happy to field your questions as well. We have an online application process to apply for and receive the second round of PPP loans, and we are open to accepting applications from both customers and non-customers alike. Thank you.